Good morning from Nigeria, guys. And today I'll be talking on landing page setup on Convertkit. So now to do that, remember yesterday I talked about email setup on Convertkit. So to set up a landing page, come here, grow. We have landing pages and forms. So you will see we have forms. This one is for, you can use this when you are creating maybe for a website. So you can just embed this on your website. But we are creating on a Convertkit, like we want to use this for, we want to use it on here. So what we do, let's create a landing page. This form is when you want to create a form for your website. So you embed it there. So you see create landing page. So now, before we choose a template, and I want to say something first. When it comes to landing page on Convertkit, it is not like that of MailChimp that you can just, like, the editing here is so minimal. It's so minimal. Like, it's not like that of MailChimp that we can edit to our taste and all. So you understand? So here you can just preview the template if it's something you want. If it's not something you want, just choose another one. So let's preview this. So like I said, we can only customize to an extent when it comes to Convertkits. We can only customize to an extent. You see this is a template. We can only choose a template. There's nothing like from scratch there. Or let's go back. You will see like it's just template. So let's preview again. So when you preview, you will see, just check it out. Check all. If you see like something to your taste, you see. So let me bring this one down. So when you are choosing, make sure you check for both mobile and desktop. Understand? So that's one thing that is so important when it comes to everything you'll be doing as email marketer, as a digital marketer. Make sure you check. So this is for, so let's check, still loading. Let me just come and post. So let's see here. I see this is something cool. So let's see this for the desktop. Let's see for the mobile. Still loading. So we've seen for the desktop. So we have so many things right here. See, so you can just, inside that template, so we have so many things. So you can just choose if you're okay with this template. Just choose it. You understand? So if you're okay with it, just choose it. I don't know why this is taking time. I think it's the network. Can you see? So this is it. So it's quite cool. Let's choose. So now, before doing anything, like I will still tell us everything here, what they means, but I'm still waiting for this to load. So this preview is for when you want to preview on mobile and desktop when you are done editing and more. So this report is for your stats of the landing page. These settings, I'll still tell us what they are used for. This ad page. So I'm still waiting for this to come up. So you can edit the name if you're not okay with it. So let's start with that. And just choose, let's just put that first landing page. So that's that for that. So this is it. This is the form. So you can come here, you can change the background if you want. You can replace it with anything you want. Can you see the replace button? So you can replace, choose an image. Let me just choose this. So this is a content I just wrote this morning. So we can choose this. It's still loading. So you can come here to edit if you want. You can just edit it. You can edit it. Can you see we have so many things you can do with it. You can use filter if you want. Can you see? You can change the color and the brightness, contrast. You can come here to decrease or increase the exposure, the saturation. So there are so many things you can do with this. You can come here for markup. If you want to draw, can you see? If you want to use arrow, maybe you want to change it and just be like this. You can text. You can use square. You get, so there are so many things you can do there. So I've replaced this. So I'm just using this as an example. I've replaced. So let's come back to this. General styles. So we have the headings. We can change the headings. If we want, you can put something else. You can put like the domain or anything, the body. You can use this. We can even change like the image background. Can you see? So that's that for that. So these are the general styles. The general style is just for the whole page. So we can come here. If you want to edit, can you see the font color? We can change the font color if we want. Can you see? You can come here, change it to maybe normal if you don't want it as bold. So let's go to general styles. Can you see these are the changes we've done before? So can you see this? See, if you want to use it as a link, you can input your URL. Can you see? But the thing here is like we cannot bring in a block. That's just, we cannot bring in a block. I can just put maybe this. I can just put in a URL. This, dash. Then I just add as a link. Can you see? So I can come here, the email address. You can change anything you want. You can just change it like, can you see? Can you see that the email address is changing? Can you see? So you can come here, change this if you want. Like, I want this access. Something like that. Like, I'm just putting something there or email address. Let's just put, I'm just trying to let you know how it works. Email address. So you can put required if you like this. If you want to add a new form, you can just come to this plus button, add a plus, then put in a custom code that you want. Maybe last name. Can you see last name? Can you see? So you make it required. Can you see all everything we can do with this? So you can come here if you want to change the font size, you can increase. Can you see? You can come here, change the button. If you want to change it to another color, can you see? Then the font color, you can even change the font color if you want. Can you see? You can come here. Maybe you want to choose this, maybe normal. You don't want it to bold. The border, you can use it as border. Can you see that it's changing? Let me put it at so you see. Can you see? And let me return it back to 0 so you will see. Can you see it back to the rectangle? So that's that for that. So there are so many things we can do. This is just how to do your, but this is not hard. You can add a page if you want. Can you see? Thank you page. So you can come here to show your thank you page. So thanks for signing up. You can just put in your signing up here. Then maybe you want to put an image, put it there. Then yeah, just do anything. these are the things you can do with all of this. So can you see? So you just put your thank you for signing up. So immediately the person signs up, or like after the email address or something. So this is just like thank you for signing up page. You edit this page also, then you put the necessary things you want to put there. And you see, you can change this to change the fonts. I see. So there are so many things you can do there. I'm just showing you everything that is possible when it comes to landing page setup here. Now, this is where, now if you see, we have the general, we have the general, we have the domain name, we have the incentive, we have the advanced, we have the SEO, and analytics. So now let's look at general. They said when a visitor subscribes to a page. Now, do you want it to show as a success page, or you want it to redirect to a thank you page? Now, you can just make this to be like you want it to redirect to a thank you page, or you want it to redirect to an external page. You understand? So you can just put this. Maybe you just want it to be like, maybe you don't want to add a thank you page. You just want to be like success. Now you check your email to confirm your subscription, something like that. Now you can just put this, redirect to a thank you page. Then you create a thank you page. Then you link it, redirect to an external page. You understand what I'm saying, right? Can you see redirect to a thank you page? So this is the thank you page. So what am I saying in essence? Like, let's see. Show success message. This is just it. Redirect to a thank you page. I've designed the thank you page. This is it. Then you can come to domain name. Can you see custom? This is the custom name. So you will see page URL. So you can add your custom domain actually. If you want to add your custom domain, see, you have to connect it first. You have to set up a custom domain in your account. So you need to connect your custom domain first. And you have to link that on your in your settings. So for the incentive, now there's something about this incentive. This incentive, we have something known as double opt-in and um, single opt-in. Single opt-in is just like the thank you page, normal, like you just receive like immediately you subscribe, then you receive your welcome opt-in that thank you for subscribing or something. But there's something known as there's something as double opt-in, it's auto confirm. See, like you need to confirm new subscribers. You understand? So you can just check out this if you don't want. This will allow you to provide an incentive download or link. Without this, your list and availability may be at risk. Subscribers will be auto confirmed. Can you see? So this is just it. So we have double opt-in. After confirm, then we direct them to this or something like this. So we have double opt-in and we have the simple opt-in. So we have the advanced. So for the advanced, these are just things that are there. So this incentive just like you want to confirm the subscription, not something like that. So for the advanced, this is just it. We have content to show the form, ID form, show custom content, subscriber data, thank you paid. So for the SEO analytics, so if you want to link to your Google Analytics, you see they will tell you to put this, your Facebook page, which is your Facebook business, I guess. So this is just it. Can you see? Yeah, Facebook page, ID. So those are the things you can link it to any. So you can just do your save button. Let's just leave that. So we have reports. Since we don't have any, we are yet to send out. So we don't have any reports yet. So for the preview, you preview in where is it? So this is the preview. This is the preview. So we can just exit. Oh, no. Sorry for that. So we can just exit the preview. You can once the present preview. So this is the preview actually. So if you want to preview it, you can preview it. So we can just exit preview. So that's almost, I can say that's everything about this. So when you are done, you can just publish. Can you see that there's nothing like, can you see if I'm publishing? Your landing page has been published. So let's go and check. So this is just like I just do this just to so let's go back. So let's go back to our broadcast first. So that's that for that. So let's go to landing pages and form. Can you see first landing page? So you will see it here. So this is what I was saying. So immediately you will see like visitors, subscribers, the number of subscribers, number of visitors. So this is where you are going to be seeing everything like reports on this landing page. So the conversion rates, the visitors, the subscribers, can you see? So that's all regarding landing page setup. In my next video, I'll be talking on Convertkit automation. Stay tuned.